YouTube, I'm at Country Kayak Rentals here in Chaco, Kentucky. I'm getting ready to try out this kayak trip. I think I'm going to take a 4-hour float. So follow me for today's adventure. Got us up in a swamp.
You want to call this a swamp? Don't ever go to the beach.
This is a swamp.
You have a group off. Okay.
We're getting ready to set out for our journey. There is 5 people in our group, plus Turtle Man and me. The river is up this time. That's a good sign. Look at all them buzzards. Turtle Man, what do you think about it?
It's peaceful.
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 That's Turtle Man from Clifty Creek Outdoors. Like, share, and subscribe to his channel if you want to see some of his content. Which is not as good as mine, but he still needs some love. Hey YouTube, I wiped out, and my friend, the real Turtle Man Robert from Clifty Creek Outdoors, he wiped out too. But we are doing just fine on this float. We're about 2.5 hours in. We got about 1.5 hours to go. Wish us the best. It's very peaceful on this river, the Red River. I don't know how far it goes, but it goes through Kentucky and Tennessee. Right here, we made it to the end of our journey. It was a pretty fun journey. It took about 4 hours. Turtle Man, how was it?
Nice. It was nice.
You give it a star up? You give it a thumb up?
Oh, yeah. It was
So if you're ever in Chaco, Kentucky, go to Country Kayak Rentals. It's well worth the trip. Still waiting for our ride back. We've been sitting for about 10 minutes. But the van is coming shortly to pick us up and take us back to our cars. I've come to the end of today's adventure, back to the parking lot where the cars are, where we meet up. But if you're in Chaco, Kentucky, hit Tom up at Country Kayak Rentals here in Chaco. It's $15 if you bring your own kayak and $30 if you use his kayak. But please like, share, and subscribe. See ya.